Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you endgame rigs. Okay, today is endgame rigs day. I am going to give you 4 different endgame rigs for every chess players must know. Okay, this is 6 rooks vs 2 queens. Cow to queen win the game. White pieces, queen, double queen, win the game, cow 2. You can see. Because if you can think black has 6 rooks and 4 and a king, white has only 2 queen and a king. If you think white lost this game, but white did not lose the game, white win the game in 21 moves. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is queen e8 and beautiful check. Okay, if you can see here, I am going to teach you this queen, there's a check. That's why only way black has black the check with rook. Okay, now you can see the rook come to here. Okay, then another move of white end. White played amazingly. Now white queen come to c7. Okay, c7 and check. Now black the check with rook. This is very interesting endgame rigs. Okay, today is endgame rigs day. I give every day one video, different category. Okay, that's why puzzle challenge day I gave already. You can see here I gave already so many videos. Tactics day, puzzle challenge day, and checkmate pattern day, and opening wraps day, endgame rigs day. Today is endgame rigs day. That's why I am giving this endgame rigs. Okay, now the third move of white. White queen come to here and beautiful check. Then black the check with rook. Then queen come to here, check. Then black the check with black the rook check with black rook. Okay, then queen come to here on e2, check. Now rook black the check. Then queen go to there and beautiful check. Then rook black the check. Then there's another check. Now black the check with pawn. Then another check. In this time, black need to move his rook to here on f6. Then again, queen go to e8 and beautiful check. Okay, after that, black chain, black the check with rook. Then white queen go to here on c7 and brilliant check. After that, black the check with rook, dd6. Okay, then queen come to here on queen b5 and brilliant check. Now black the check with rook. Then queen come to here and check. Then rook go to there. Then queen come to here. Then black the check with rook. Then queen come to here. Push the pawn. And you can see here, I am going to teach you this pawn attack the queen. Okay. In the same time, this queen go to there and beautiful check. Okay. You can see. Yeah. Now check. Then black the check with rook. f5. Then queen go to g7 and brilliant check. Then black the check with rook. Then again check. Now black the check with rook de6. Now 18th move of white. White played amazingly now. Queen c7 and brilliant check. Then black the check with rook. Then 19th move check. Queen b5 and brilliant check. Black the check with rook. 20th move. Now you can see here final idea. White queen come to here on c3 and beautiful check. Black check with queen rook. Then now beautiful checkmate with white queen come to e2 and brilliant checkmate. Because you can see here this pawn cannot go this way. This pawn forward to this line, attack this line and this line. Okay. Now this you can see here. I am going to teach you this rook cannot move to here because there is a queen. Oh, This is very amazing chess endgame bricks. Okay, 6 rooks vs 2 queens. That's it. We can go to the second endgame bricks. Okay, today is endgame bricks day. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, this is endgame bricks day. This is second video. Yeah, second section. The name is do not be greedy on the chessboard. Do not be greedy on the chessboard. Okay. If you can see here, I am going to teach you. Here is a rook. Here is a king, white king and white rook. Then you can see here there is a black pawn, there is a black queen and black king. Okay. Yeah. If you think who will be win, white or black, I am telling you this game black cannot win the game because white make a stalemate. Beautifully play white and get stalemate. What? You can think black has so many pieces, that's why easily win the game black. What? There is no way to win the game black. Okay, we can see the moves. Okay, first move is white and let's go to the moves. First move is king f2. Okay, now pawn come to here on b4, then queen go to e2, then b3, then queen d1. If queen take the rook, that's it. That's a mistake he did. Then king cannot move because there is a stalemate. Because you can see this king cannot go here because there is a pawn. There is a queen this line. This line queen. This cannot go here. There is a queen. Cannot go here. Cannot go here. That's why easily win the game. No, not win the game. Easily make a stalemate white pieces. Okay, that's it. We can go to the third endgame bricks. Okay, the endgame bricks day. Okay, let's go to the third section. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, endgame bricks day. Okay, this is third section. Endgame bricks. Okay, white has double rook and king, black has double rook and king, same equal value. Okay, you can see how to white win the game, this particular chess game. First move is white in. If first move is white in, how to white easily attack black and make the beautiful checkmate. Okay, we will see one by one. In 7 moves, white wins white checkmate. First move is rook e7 and beautiful check. Now you can see here, I am going to teach you here. This king cannot come here, cannot come here, cannot come here. There is a king, there is a king, there is a rook. Only way the king go to there in h8. Okay, h8. Then the second move of white king go to h6. Okay, now black played amazingly. Now rook g e8, rook g e8. Okay, after that white playing very natural moves. Rook dd7. If black need to move his king go to here on g8, then rook go to here and check, go to there, check, go to there and beautiful check. Only way king need to move one space only. He go to here on f8, then brilliant checkmate with rook. That's it. This is third endgame bricks. Today is endgame bricks day. I give every day, every time I publish this video, I give different part section video. I gave already puzzle challenge day and tactics day and checkmate pattern days and endgame risk day. This is fourth section. Okay. If you want to improve your chess skill, please watch my playlist. So many videos you can watch and improve your chess talent. Okay, that's it. We can go to the fourth and last endgame risk for every chess players must know. Today is endgame risk day. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. This is fourth endgame risk. Okay. This is, you can see here, black has queen and bishop and king, white has rook, knight, a pawn and king. You think black win easily? You can think black win easily. Okay. What, black cannot win the game? This game ended in a stalemate in row. Okay. You can see how to stalemate this particular chess risk endgame section. Part 4. Sorry. Section 4. Okay. Today is endgame risk day. That's why I am giving endgame risk. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is white knight go to d4. Because why white knight push the knight to here? You can think here. Because if he cannot push the knight to d4, there is a beautiful checkmate. Yeah, this bishop here and beautiful checkmate. That's why white playing amazingly and black the checkmate. Then first move of black queen take the knight. Then rook a3 and beautiful check. Then king come to b5. Then check. Then come to here and check. Then king go to there. Now we will see how to cancel this much. What? Why go to here and another move of fifth move of black chain. Black cut the rook. That's why this game ended in a stalemate. Black white cannot do anything here because this pawn going up to here. This king cannot go there or there or there because there is a bishop. Cannot go here or here. That's it. Okay. That's why this game ended in a row. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Every day I put shorts video on my YouTube channel, the Knight Gambit TV chess YouTube channel. My name is Sharmilan Shivaswadi. I am from Sri Lanka, Mullaitivu Vattapalai. My name is Sharmilan Shivaswadi. Okay, I want to become a chess grandmaster. My ambition is, that's why I make a YouTube channel and study hardly and smartly. If you want to play chess with me, please join the League Chess tournament. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. God bless everyone. Thank you.